Morning class, we are doing chapter number 9 and we are doing exercise 9th day. Let's start the exercise. Question number 1, find the gain or loss percent if. Now I have done first part for you. CP is rupees 200, SP is rupees 224. Now children, can you see cost price is 200 and selling price is 224. Now selling price is more than cost price. Selling price is more than cost price. It means profit, है ना? So profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. So 224 minus 200 is equal to 24. But we have to find the profit percent. So profit percent is equal to profit upon CP into 100. 24 upon 200 into 100. 24 upon 2 is equal to 12%. Now one more part I have done for you, that is CP is rupees 216 and loss is given this time 72, and you have to find the loss percent or gain percent. So loss percent is equal to loss upon CP into 100. Loss is 72, CP is 216 into 100 children. Now to the calculation part. 72 ones are 72, 72 threes are 216, or you can do, you can start with smaller number, like you start with 2 and you can go on and then you can find the answer. Now question number 2. Question number 2 says find the selling price if. Now I have done second part for you. CP is rupees 60 and loss is 12, 1 upon 2%. CP is rupees 60, loss is this. So loss is 25 upon 2%. Now children, previously also I told you that you find loss on CP only. So 25%. So remove this percentage sign, 100 will come in the denominator of CP. So of CP, CP is 60. Fine, of means multiply. So 25 by 2 into 1 upon 100 into 60. So 25 upon 100 and 2 30s are 60, so we get 30 over here. Now 25 4s are 100, so 1 upon 4 into 30, and further solving we get 7.5. Now the formula of loss says cost price minus selling price. So selling price taking this side, selling price is equal to cost price minus loss. So 60 minus 7.5, that is 52.5 answer. Okay, now we'll start next question, question number 4. An article bought for rupees 350. Bought means cost price, is sold at a profit of rupees 20%. Sold, becha. So at a profit is given, not the selling price, 20%. Find its selling price. So cost price is given 350. Profit percent is given 20%. Now children, profit percent is equal to profit upon CP into 100, and we need to find the profit. So profit percent is 20, profit upon CP. CP is 350 into 100. Now solving it, we get profit as rupees 70. Formula of profit says profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. So selling price is equal to profit plus CP. So profit is rupees 70 and CP is rupees 350. So rupees 420. Now let us do question number 7. A certain number of articles are bought at 3 for rupees 150. The rate is given that 3 are for rupees 150 and all of them are sold at 4 for rupees 80. And the rate of the selling is that 4 articles are sold at rupees 180. Find the loss or gain as per. Now cost price of 3 articles is rupees 150. So cost price of 1 article 150 upon 3. Remember, for 1 we divide children and for many we multiply. Remember? Yes. Now 50 rupees. Selling price of 4 articles rupees 180. So selling price of 1 article 180 upon 4. We get this. Okay? Now which is greater? You can see that cost price is 50 and selling price is 45. So cost price is greater than selling price. So this is the case of loss. First you find out what case it is. So loss is CP minus SP, that is 50 minus 45. 5. Loss percent is equal to loss upon CP into 100, that is 5 upon 50 into 100, and on solving we get 10%. I hope these questions are clear to you. Now you can try the whole exercise yourself, and some more questions I'll be sending in you my next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.